Welcome! In front of me I have COROS Pace Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. Then you need to unlock the screen by pressing and holding the Chrome button, like this. And finally you can press the lower button, press and hold it rather, to open the control center or panel, and here scroll through the menu by using the crown, rotating it basically, and select the watch face option. It should be somewhere here. Am I missing it? Oh, there it is. Watch face option icon, and once you select it you can tap on it or press the crown button, and now you should see the watch face menu. Scroll through the menu and look for the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch we can open the COROS application. In the app we can tap on profile, select our Pace Pro, and here we can tap on watch faces, and you have a store, so basically you can download additional watch faces if you want to by tapping on one, tapping on send to watch, and it will basically sync the data and the watch face to your watch, and once it's done installing it should be applied. Like this. And you can also change the watch face from the list that are already installed basically on your watch, local watch faces. To do that, in the top right corner you have this My Watch Faces, tap on it, and here we have the list of local watch faces. We have 6 out of 10, so you can have only up to 10 watch faces. So find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it, and then tap on set as watch face. And once it's done rather, the watch face will be applied. Come on. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.